Tired of gaming headsets that feel hot and heavy? Sick of sweaty ears after just one match? Annoyed by muffled audio missing critical details? Frustrated with chat that sounds distant or unclear? Ever had your headset battery die mid-game? Or struggled to switch between PC and phone audio, wishing for a headset that's actually comfortable for hours? You're not alone. These are everyday gamer problems. But what if you could solve them all at once? Introducing the Turtle Beach Atlas Air Wireless Headset. Check out the description for the best price on Amazon. The world's first wireless open-back gaming headset for PC. Experience ultra-clear, natural sound with 40mm high-precision drivers. Enjoy true immersion with high-fidelity 24-bit audio quality. Hear every detail, footsteps, reloads, distant action, like never before. Stay cool and comfortable thanks to the open-back design. No more overheating or sweaty ears during marathon sessions. Float through long games with the world's first floating earcup. Lightweight at just 301 grams, even with the mic attached. Memory foam cushions with glasses-friendly relief technology. Say goodbye to headset headaches and pressure points. Chat with unbeatable clarity using the broadcast-grade microphone. Flip to mute, detachable, and engineered for noise cancellation. High-bandwidth mic delivers crystal-clear team comms. Customize your sound and mic settings with Swarm 2 software. Fine-tune EQ, game, chat mix, and even create your own profiles. Switch seamlessly between PC, PlayStation, and mobile devices. Quick Switch button lets you jump from game to call instantly. Enjoy up to 50 hours of battery life on a single charge. Plus, Quick Charge gets you back in action fast. Low-latency 2.4 GHz wireless keeps you synced with the action. Or go wired with the included 3.5mm cable, your choice. Before Atlas Air, hot, heavy headset. Missed audio cues. Uncomfortable fit. Muffled teammates. Battery anxiety. After Atlas Air, cool, weightless comfort for hours. Hear every direction with Waves 3D audio for full immersion. Every command and chat comes through loud and clear. No more mid-game charging panic, just pure focus. Switch devices without missing a beat or fumbling with cables. Set up custom profiles for different games and playstyles. Personalize your look with optional mod packs. Make it yours. Atlas Air isn't just a headset, it's a complete upgrade. Designed for gamers, streamers, and anyone who demands more. Lightweight design means you forget you're even wearing it. Open back keeps you aware of your surroundings, perfect for marathon sessions or quick matches alike. Broadcast quality mic ensures your team always hears you. Advanced superhuman hearing gives you a competitive edge. Adjust every setting with Swarm 2, your sound, your way. Compatible with PC, PS5, PS4, and mobile devices. Bluetooth 5.2 for rock-solid wireless connection. Floating headband made from breathable mesh for max comfort. Memory. Foam ear cushions wrapped in athletic weave fabric. Glasses? No problem. Prospex Relief technology has you covered. Removable microphone and windscreen for pro-level audio. Unidirectional mic design blocks out background noise. Customize mic sensitivity, noise gate, and EQ to fit your voice. 10-band equalizer lets you dial in perfect sound. Save up to 5 profiles for different games or users. Game and chat volume mix. Find your perfect balance. Quick switch button for instant audio source change. Long battery life means less charging, more gaming. Quick charge feature gets you back in the game fast. Flexible connectivity. Wireless, Bluetooth, or wired. Plug into any device with the included 3.5mm cable. Open back design for the most natural, realistic sound. Experience a new standard in PC gaming audio. Upgrade your comfort, audio, and communication today. Don't settle for less. Choose Atlas Air for your next session. Ready to level up your setup? Check out the description for the best price on Amazon. Get the Turtle Beach Atlas Air wireless headset now.